Alright guys, so here is my prep video that was requested. So the first step is just making sure there is no dirt up underneath my nails, and I'm just taking my cuticle pusher and getting any dirt from under my nails, even though I washed my hands. So then you want to take the cuticle pusher and push back your cuticles if needed. I do my nails so often, every 2 to 3 weeks, I would say, so I really don't have to push my cuticles back. But in this video, they do need to be pushed back just a little bit. So then I'm going in with my nail drill, and I'm using the little football shaped drill and going in near my cuticles and just cleaning off the extra skin that I pushed back and that's actually on my nails. And I'm doing this very gently. I don't have to do it on all of my nails. If you don't have an e-file, you don't have to worry about this part at all. You can take a regular nail file and do this, but of course not get too close to your cuticles, of course. But yeah, so I'm just gently going over my cuticles with my e-file. This is probably one of my favorite bits, along with my round one. So I am getting all the extra skin and dust off, and I'm going in with this tool here, and getting all the, again, extra skin off my cuticles. I will post the link for all of the items that I am using below here. This is like the perfect tool if you have hangnails and things of that nature to use. Like, I love this tool, but you have to be careful because it is very sharp, y'all. So then I'm going in with my buffing block here and taking the shine off of my nails. And also I am sketching just a little bit into my nails so that when I put my tips on the, or my nails, my full coverage nails, that the glue stays put on. So then I take my e-file and my nail tips that I already have picked out and etching the inside of the tip so that, again, like I said, the glue stays inside of those ridges and also the ridges that I made onto my nails. Like I said, this just helps them last a little bit longer, actually stick. And then I take a dab of my nail glue and place it onto my nails. And you want to make sure that the nail is straight on your nails and not creaking and lopsided and all of that stuff, or you're going to have to take it off and do it again. So I'm just making sure there are like no bubbles and things like that, or extra glue hanging off the side of my nails. And if it is, I just, like I said, you saw me take the nail glue and just apply just a little bit to the top so that it just seeps in and fills up any bubbles that may be there. And I'm just doing this with all of my nails, you guys. And I have one of my old nails from my previous set for the length purposes, whatever. And I didn't have to cut that much off, whatever. I literally just went in and cut the numbers off of the tips, and that was the length that I needed and that I like. So then I'm taking my hand file and I am just going in and shaping up my nails just a little bit more, but I really didn't have to like do this step, especially for the sides, because like I said, these came pre-shaped already, and I just like love these tips so much because of the shape. They don't have any curve to it. Now, if they had a little bit of curve to it, it'd make it a little bit better. But that is like how they came out. Like I said, just really quick. And then I'm going in with my buffing block again and getting the shine off of the nail tip and also blending in the tip to my actual nails just a little bit. This is like a quick and easy step, but getting the shine off helps the product to stick onto your nails a lot better. So all of these steps that I'm taking, I would suggest that you guys do as well, because of course that's the purpose of this awesome video you guys requested. Because like I said, my nails usually last a good 2 to 3 weeks. So yeah, you take this and you do this to all of the nails. They don't have to be perfect as long as you have the majority of the shine off. Alright, so you guys see me use this in all of my videos. This is your primer and your bond. This is a very important step that you add onto your actual nails and not the tips, to help dehydrate your nails and get any excess oil out of your nails, even though you did wash them and all of that got the shine off. This is a very important part to help the product stick onto your nails and last even longer. When you guys go to the nail shops, this is a product that they use. But yeah, guys, this is my quick and easy video for you guys on how I prep my nails.